Forget everything you know about your AI development workflow. No, seriously. Microsoft just unleashed a set of updates for Azure AI Foundry that are about to completely reshape how you build, launch, and manage AI agents. If you're an AI developer, you'll want to drop what you're doing and listen up. For a long time now, we've been piecing together AI solutions, struggling with picking the right models, getting them integrated, and making them all work together. It's been powerful, sure, but let's be real, it's been a headache. Well, you can say goodbye to all that. Azure AI Foundry is now generally available, and it's not just another tool, it's a complete enterprise-ready platform. We're going to walk through the 5 biggest updates that you can start using right now. And trust me, you'll want to hang around for number 2, it's a total paradigm shift. Let's kick things off with a problem every single AI dev has faced: model selection. You've got a task, but which of the 900 plus models in the Foundry is the right one? From xAI's Grok 3 to the thousands on Hugging Face, choosing between cost, speed, and quality is a constant tug of war. That's where the new model router comes in. Think of it as a smart traffic cop for your AI prompts. Instead of you having to guess which model to use, the router figures it out for you on the fly. You deploy it as a single endpoint, and it intelligently inspects each prompt, sending it to the best model for the job, whether that's a small, cheap model for easy tasks, or a beefy reasoning model for the heavy lifting. In Microsoft's own tests, this led to cost savings of up to 60% compared to just using a single high-end model, all while maintaining similar accuracy. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a huge simplification that saves both time and money. If the model router was a game changer, this next one rewrites the rules of the game. We're moving past the era of single, clunky AI agents. The future is all about collaborative, multi-agent systems, but getting them to work together has been a nightmare. Until now. The Azure AI Foundry Agent Service is now generally available, and its killer feature is multi-agent orchestration. You can now design complex, long-running workflows where multiple specialized agents team up like a digital workforce. This is all built on 2 main ideas: connected agents for simple handoffs and multi-agent workflows, a stateful layer that keeps track of context and handles errors for more involved processes. Imagine an automated system for onboarding a new customer. One agent could verify their identity, another could pull up their account details, and a third could set up their new profile, all working in perfect sync. That kind of advanced automation for business processes is now totally possible thanks to this powerful orchestration engine. An agent is only as smart as the tools it has. An AI that can't connect to data or actually do anything is really just a fancy chatbot. Microsoft gets this, and they've loaded up the agent service with a massive collection of built-in and third-party tools. Agents can now tap into real-world knowledge from a wild number of sources. This includes your own private data through Azure AI Search and Microsoft Fabric, or public data using Bing Search. It gets even better with licensed data from partners like TripAdvisor and Morningstar. And when it's time to take action, developers can connect their agents to over 1,400 Azure Logic Apps workflows, making it easy to automate complex business processes with low code. If you need something more specific, you can plug in your own APIs with OpenAPI specs or call Azure Functions directly. This huge ecosystem turns your agents from simple information bots into proactive problem solvers that can handle almost any digital task you throw at them. Microsoft is keenly aware that the most powerful platform on Earth is useless if it's a pain to use. That's why they've gone all in on the developer experience, and it really shows. The biggest news here is the brand new Azure AI Foundry extension for Visual Studio Code. You can now build, test, and deploy your models and agents right from the IDE you're already in all day. No more switching back and forth. You can browse the model catalog, mess around with deployments in a playground, and chat with your agents without ever leaving VS Code. To make development even smoother, there's also a new model leaderboard that ranks the top-performing AI models by different categories and tasks. This helps you quickly find the best foundation for whatever you're building. All these tools are designed to do one thing: make you more productive and the entire development process feel a whole lot more intuitive. Alright, let's get to the part that lets you actually sleep at night: security, governance, and MLOps. When we're in a rush to build the next cool thing, these crucial pieces can sometimes get left behind, which can lead to a messy sprawl of agents and some serious security headaches. Azure AI Foundry tackles this problem head-on by building enterprise-level governance right into the platform from the very beginning. Every agent can be automatically given a unique Microsoft Entra Agent ID, which gives you precise control over what each agent has permission to access. Plus, with integration into Microsoft Purview, you can be sure your data security and compliance rules are being followed across all of your AI apps. The platform also has built-in monitoring and detailed evaluation metrics, giving you one central dashboard to keep an eye on everything from performance and cost to safety and compliance. This all-in-one approach to MLOps and security means you can build and scale powerful AI solutions responsibly without cutting corners on governance. So, that's the scoop, 5 updates that are about to shake up AI development on Azure. From smart model routing to building entire digital teams, the power we have now is just incredible. I'm curious to hear what you think. Which one of these new features is going to make the biggest difference for your projects? Is it the multi-agent orchestration, the VS Code extension, or something else entirely? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you want to stay on top of all the latest news in AI development, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. The world of AI isn't slowing down, and we'll be right here to break it all down for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.